Personal recording of my family is me. I has as my family. My grandmother is Luzdari. She is 29. She, she is housewife. She is from Virginia Risaralda. My grandmother is very good with nails. She has brown eyes and her hair black. My mother is Luz Estela. She is 53 years old. She is Bruce Administrator. She is Palmira Valle. My mother is Wins and Henry's. She has green eyes and her hair is black. My father is Fanor. He is 62 years old. He is emprendedor. He is Palmira Valle. My father is Gu Esmeri. I friend. He has brown eyes and his are black. My brother is Alejandro. She is 28 years old. He is an electric in the genre. Is Palmira Valle. My brother is very friendly. I has brown eyes. His wings is black. Listening, my name is Natalia. I am 20 years old. I'm a student in industrial engineering. I am from Palmira Valle. I has black A. Thank you.